There's more fallout as well today from that major drop in oil prices that we've been tracking this week. The Alberta government says protecting jobs is a priority, but a new report is warning that any job losses that result from the collapse will be just the latest in an already thinning industry. Rafi Boudjikanian reports.
Alberta Premier Jason Kenney has made it abundantly clear he's well aware the low oil prices could wreak havoc on the province. He's met with industry leaders in the energy sector.
We are being sideswiped by a major global economic downturn.
One of the bigger players, Cenovus, announced it's cutting spending by 32%, as analysts predict other companies may have to follow suit.
We saw some announcements about capital plans being pulled back, and that means it's going to wear first on the service sector. Companies are going to defer any kind of capital expenditure they had in their plan to try to save that money.
Meanwhile, one new study warns permanent changes are needed. The Parkland Institute's report found 5 big producers have been taking climate change and climate policies into account, and they've also made advances in technology, which mean that some jobs the sector has shed are not coming back.
We should stop betting on bitumen. I think the leading oil producers are going to continue to find a way to be profitable. However, they're going to do that by being more efficient and employing less people.
Huzzy says governments should focus on taking the global climate crisis seriously. Meanwhile, Alberta says it'll have a list of demands for the federal government at a First Minister's meeting later this week in Ottawa. Rafi Boudjikanian, CBC News, Edmonton.